Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Friday, May 20th. Let's find out what is on our Number Corner calendar. Tad has been jumping all over our 120 chart. Let's find out where he goes today. He was on the number 73, and he went and added to the right. He went to the right and added 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 73 is that magical number. Again, you need to pull out your math book that has the blocks on the top and a person made of shapes. It has 120 grid on it, so you see 120 numbers on it, and you're going to turn it to page 63. Again, we are using this book every single day for Number Corner, so you really do need to keep it near your work area for school because we will use it every day. Now that you have it on page 63, you are going to turn into what it said. It said Tad was on the number 73, and he actually moved 4 spaces to the right. When he moves to the right, we're adding to it. We're going to bigger numbers, so we're adding to it. Here's 73. Let me make that bigger for you so you can see it. 73 is here. We jump 1, 2, 3, 4. When we add 4 more, we are now on the number 77. So I'm going to take the time now to color in the number 77. Great. Make sure you've done that with your book as well. Now, we are going to go to our days in school. And we're adding another day. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe how time is flying by. We are now adding another day, which makes 161 days. 161 days that we have been together in school. 161 is our number for the day. Can you think of a math fact that equals 161? I'll put a few on the screen, but what about you? 100 plus 60, 161 here. And then we have 100 plus 60 plus 1. Then we have 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 1 equals 161. And then we're going to do something interesting. Remember I showed you yesterday how we could have all dimes and have 160. Well, if we add 1 penny to it, guess what? We have a new amount now. We have 161 cents when we do that. 161 cents when we have 16 dimes and 1 penny. All-Stars, what I'd like you to do for the remainder of our time together is this. I want you to look at this 120 chart here, and I want you to practice yourself, saying, wow, 17 plus 10, or 17 plus 20, or 17 plus 30. Try to create your own math facts, adding those bigger numbers. You can pause the video to keep the chart up. I know you will do amazing things with this. Remember, you can practice your addition and subtraction with these. I know you can do it. Off you go.